Trainer's Methodology 1. Deliver competency-based training. Trainee enters program. Dress making NC2. Good day everyone. I am Maria Hill Magdarao from BTVT Ed FSM 3B. Today, I will be discussing the delivery process of competency-based training. But first, I will explain what is CBT. Competency-based training, or CBT, is a learning process-centered approach that focuses on developing specific skills or competency needed in a workplace. Enters the program. Orientation. The trainers welcome the students and provides an overview of the competency-based training program. Next, role of the trainer or trainee. The trainer clarifies responsibilities, emphasizing that the trainer acts as a facilitator and guide, while the trainee takes an active role in the learning and demonstrating competency. Administer RPL. At the start of the competency-based training, we conduct the recognition of prior learning or RPL. This helps identify the learner's existing skills so that the trainer time is focused only on what still needs improvement. Once the student completes all required competencies and demonstrates mastery, TESDA issues a National Certificate or NC. This certificate provides that the student is qualified and competent based on national industry standards. Administer the learning content. The trainer and the trainees agree on a written formal agreement that outlines the learning objective, activities, timelines, and responsibilities for the training period. Provide material. Provide the necessary material to the trainees. It can be hand and soft copies of the training content. Materials are designed to guide the trainees in acquiring the necessary knowledge, skills, and attitudes for a specific unit of competency. Introduce CBLM material. CBLM Base Learning Module. These modules serve as the main guide that contains lessons, procedures, and exercises that help the trainee learn each competency. Introduce the use of Achievement Progress Report. Is introduced to monitor performance. This report is used to track the trainees' improvements and completion of each competency, ensuring the progress is properly documented and evaluated. Reviewing the learning package. The trainees studies the provided learning materials to understand the concepts, procedures, and the standards required for each competency. Next, reviewing multimedia materials. The trainees watches instructional videos or digital presentation that demonstrate actual work practices. Using manuals. The trainees refers to manuals or guides that contain step-by-step instructions and technical information to support independent learning and correct task execution. Observing demonstration. The trainees carefully watches the trainer or expert perform the task to see the correct techniques, safety practices, and performs standards in action. Practicing skills in workshop. The trainees applies what they have learned by performing real or simulated tasks in workshop setting to develop hands-on competency. Receiving assistance and advice. The trainer provides guidance, feedback, and additional explanation. Satisfactorily perform competency. Yes, if the trainees has satisfactorily performed the competency. This means the learner or trainees has successfully demonstrated the required skills and knowledge. If no, the student returns to the practice and improves skills, then is reassessed. If the trainee has not yet met the required standard. Next, have enough competency been achieved? The trainer and trainees evaluate whether the learner has completed all the required units of competency for the qualification or course? If yes, the student proceeds to the exit the program. Once all competencies are achieved, the trainer is considered competent and may graduate or proceed to assessment for certification. If no, the trainer has not yet met the required standards. They continue training, receive further guidance, and are given another opportunity to demonstrate the competency. Students attempt the task while the instructor observes performance. The trainers perform the assigned competency or task to demonstrate the skills and knowledge acquired. The instructor closely monitors the process to evaluate accuracy, technique, and adherence to standards. Instructor rates performance after completing the task. The instructor assists the trainees working using set performance criteria. Student rates own performance. The trainees also evaluate their own performance to reflect on strengths and areas for improvement.